Water animals by times fun and activities. Dolphins, the bubbly dolphin. All of us love dolphins, the way they jump in the water. We love it. Dolphins are very friendly and bubbly in nature. They are very sweet. They are smart and intelligent too. They are recognized by their curved mouth, which gives them a permanent smile. They always look as if they are smiling. They are known for their helping nature. They are very helpful and they always stay and help injured animals whenever they are in need. So they are always very friendly and helpful and bubbly. The big shark. Sharks are found in deep seas and oceans. It would be interesting to know that they don't have a single bone on their body, so they are invertebrates. Most sharks live for 25 years, while some can live up to 100 years. So they can live to a very long time. Sharks can swim up to 20 to 40 miles per hour, so they are very fast swimmer. They also have a strong sense of smell and love to eat small fishes, sea lions and seals. And they are very big and have very big teeth also. Seals. Look at this creature, how lovely it looks and says round body. Seals are round mammal creatures. They have thick layer of fat under their skin called blubber, which keeps them warm in the cold water. Their fur coat is streamlined so that they can easily glide and swim in water. Seals usually spend their time in water. They love to swim in water. But for parenting purpose, that is to lay eggs and take care of their babies, they like to go on the shore. Its whiskers help in detecting prey underwater. Seals usually live on average for 25 to 30 years. On land, they live in huge colonies with over 1,000 seals. Sponges. Look at this creature. How interesting to look at it. A sponge is a very simple animal with many cells, but they have no basic organs like heart, muscles, mouth or brain. They just grow anywhere and they don't have any proper shape. Their bodies are full of pores, small pores, which allow water to go inside and flow through it. Sponges take food and oxygen from the water that channels inside it. Sponges grow in one place like plants and remain stick to it. They can't move around like other animals, so they just stick to one place and remain stick there. Octopus. See this animal? How lovely it looks with its 8 legs. Octopus are water animals that live in deep waters of seas and oceans. There are over 250 species of octopus in the world. They have 8 limbs, hence the name octopus. Interesting to know they have 3 hearts. Why 3 hearts? The 2 smaller hearts which pumps blood to gills, while the larger one circulates blood to rest of the body. Another interesting fact is they have 9 brains, one central brain and each arm having smaller brain. Its blood is blue. Why the color of the blood is blue? Because they have adopted the cold, low oxygen water of the seas and the ocean. Starfish. See how lovely it looks. Now it's very interesting to know that this starfish is actually not a fish, it is an animal. Starfishes are star-shaped, but they are not fishes. These creatures cannot swim and are invertebrates. They are good at falling and can walk and climb steep sides of ropes very easily. Sea star have 5 arms and jet light with 5 purple colorized spots at the end of each arm. Crabs. Crabs live in big salty oceans and seas. It lives in fresh water too. They have 2 pincers which they use to burrow hole and catch hold of their prey. They have 8 legs and a very hard shell called exoskeleton. They are carnivorous and eat both plants and animals. So they eat both plants and animals. And they look at the hard shell of it. Crabs work together to get food and protect their families. So they always work and live in a group. Crocodile. See the crocodile? See its body so scaly, dry and muddy. And it is very long too, very long tail. Crocodiles live both on land and water. They have good night vision. And so they like to hunt and catch their prey at night. Alligators' eyes reflect red color at night and so they can easily be traced because of the color of their eyes. We can trace there's a crocodile. They share shed tears which when they are out of water for a long time and their eyes begin to dry out, and so the crocodile's tears are said to be false. They have 24 sharp teeth which they use to catch hold of their prey. They don't chew their food but swallow it as a whole. Sometimes, it's very interesting to know, sometimes they also swallow stones to ensure faster grinding of food in their stomach. Jellyfish. Look at the jellyfish. Jellyfish have no heart, bones or eyes. They have a smooth bag-like body and long tentacles. The jellyfish use these tentacles to paralyze the prey. So they paralyze their prey before eating it up. Its mouth is found in the center of the body. Jellyfish can clone. What is this clone? Jellyfish can clone. That is, it can double itself. It's interesting to know. If a jellyfish is cut into half, its pieces can regenerate and turn into two new jellies. Jellyfish are made up of 85% to 98% of water. Turtles. Look at the turtle. How dry and scaly it looks. And it can live both on land and water. Turtles are water animals that have a hard shell which protect it from their enemies. They are amphibian and live both on land and water. They have webbed feet and a streamlined body, so they can easily swim in water. Some turtles are vegetarians. They eat only plants, while others eat meat and flesh. They are scavengers too. That is, they eat dead fish from lakes and rivers, making the water cleaner. So they are very friendly to the environment. They make the environment and the water clean by eating all the dead fishes. Turtles are far-sighted underwater. That is, they can see very far away underwater but near-sighted out of water. Turtles always lay their eggs on land. Whales. Look at the beautiful whale. Whales are the largest animals. Whales are unique, beautiful and graceful. Whales are mammals and are not fish. It's a very interesting fact. So they cannot breathe underwater. They have to resurface so as to breathe. Whales live in groups called pods. They are known for their friendship, innovation, cooperation with one another. So they are always very friendly. The baby whale is called the calf. Blue whale. Blue whale is the largest animal in the world found up till now, and it weighs as much as 24 elephants. So its weight is equal to 24 elephants. Seahorse. Seahorses are actually fishes which live deep in water and breathe through gills and have a swim bladder. Its name is sea fish because their shape of the head is like a horse and it has a very long tail. They are little fishes and so named because of the shape of their head. They also have a neck and a long snake-like tail. There are about 25 species of seahorses in the world. Seahorses can camouflage. What is camouflage? They can change their color according to the environment. It changes its color to match the surroundings and makes it difficult to be spotted, or their predators cannot catch them and make them prey. Thank you.